What's up, y'all? It's Brazen Box Signs back. Today we kind of have a crappy video. I know I haven't posted a long video in a while, so I mean, this is just gonna be kind of like a little catch up what's been going on. So, yesterday I managed to blow one of my sundowns. Not entirely sure how. That's why I'm gonna make a video pulling it out. Hopefully I get some comments because I don't really know what to look for. But I probably was soft clipping a little too much, and I just didn't like it. Because I know sundowns, they take a lot of power cleaned. But with 90 amp hours of sodium and a 370, trying to run 2 8Ks at half gain probably isn't the smartest idea. So, I mean, it's my fault. Like, I'm not going to clown sundown for it, obviously, because it's my fault. So, we're going to run out there. I'm going to kind of do a build run around because I know you guys haven't seen it in a while. And then maybe I'll show you all the new box I'm building for a customer. So I'll just do a little catch up. But see you guys when I get back out there. All right, here's the bourbon. So I'll show you kind of the amp setup. Jesus, a lot of stuff. But it's just two B2 7Rs. It's really ugly right now because I mean it's just a fuck ton of wires everywhere. But yeah, 6th wall. Nothing special back here. And then my 4-channel is back here. I do have like little stunt walls back here too. Trying to roll down my back windows. And then I'll show you guys subs. I'll show you guys the locked up one. Pull it out. So I gotta take my loading wall back up that I just finished yesterday. So here's subs. So here's the good one. Yeah. Sounds good. And this one. Definitely something up. Not entirely sure what. So hopefully I can try and figure out what it is. I guarantee it's just slinky, but I guess we'll find out. So I'll get back to you when I get it pulled out. All right, so I got the sub pulled out. Damn new trim rings I made are stuck to this, so I gotta pry those off. I'm gonna have to make another one when I get recon, but yeah, but coil is slinky. You can see that. It's bad. Fried. But she's out. What's up, guys? I'm back. I just got the sub back inside. So I will show you kind of what we're dealing with, and it doesn't look good. So I'll flip the camera around and show you guys what we're looking at. So we got the beautiful sundown inside, but this isn't so beautiful. Yikes. That is rough. Just very rough in there. Does not look pretty at all. So next what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get some video footage of me pulling this bad boy out. So here I got this set up. Basically I'm just gonna pull these screws out. I don't really have to, but I'm just gonna do it now because why not? That or honestly no, I might not. I'm probably just gonna cut around this. So let me go grab my knife quick. We'll use this bad boy to cut this thing off. I almost wonder if maybe I will just cut the outside, but so we'll cut the outside here real quick. This might be a pain. Never intentionally cut a sub, y'all. It's my first sub blowout. This hurts to do, guys. I love this sub, but we're gonna recon it, so she'll be back to life soon here, so it ain't that big of a deal. But damn, maybe I should go get an actual knife. This thing kind of sucks to use. But we're getting along there. It's part of it cut. It's sad to see, y'all. Yeesh, it hurts me. But let's continue to cut apart. And then I'll fast forward this footage so it doesn't take so long. So
That was giving me trouble, so I went and got the box cutter. So hopefully this works a little better. A little smoother, hopefully. Nope, this thing's dull as hell. Jeez. Not having any luck. Didn't know surround would be so hard to cut. Yeesh. Alright, here's my final chance at... Oh yeah, there we go. Yikes. So we got the surround cut here. So now I'm just gonna pull... Actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a screwdriver quick. 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back with an actual screwdriver. And I'm not being a dingus, so hopefully this can work a little better. Alright, I'm just gonna cut around the spider. Because I ain't doing that right now. You guys ready for the reveal? Alright, we're gonna pull it out now. See how bad it really is. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Wow. That is bad, guys. Completely unwound this sucker. Wow. That is not good. Let's see if I can show you all this. Wow. Just filthy in there. Still just all slammed down in there. But get y'all set back up. So I managed to get not quite all of it out. There's still a little bit in there. I'm not quite sure I'm gonna get that out, but yeah, that's not supposed to look like that. You can see the former's just smashed, dude. I'm not entirely sure how that happened, but yeah, it's cooked. So get a closer look on that. Just destroyed. You can still see there's a little bit left in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. If I cover that. Let's see. So I don't know if I kind of just cooked myself there or what, but that's how we're looking. I'll probably end it off here. I will be getting a recon soon, but I'll probably just end it off here. So if you stayed and watched, thank you for watching. Hopefully when I see you guys next, I have the other two, and this one will be recon. So I'll catch y'all later.